Hello everyone, so once again this is Sir Louis and welcome to our new video tutorial about the subtracting of integers. So we have already written here on the whiteboard the rules of subtracting integers. Number 1, change the sign of the subtrahend. Number 2, change the operation from subtraction to addition. And number 3, go back to the rules of adding integers, which are, first, if the given integers are like sign, so we need to copy the sign and add the numbers. If the integers are unlike sign, we need to subtract numbers, then copy the sign of the bigger value. So to understand more, let's have an example. Example number 1. So let's have the negative 3 minus positive 2. Okay? So we have negative 3 minus 2. That is positive. Okay? To answer this one for the beginner, okay? So we need to follow this certain procedure or pattern. So we have negative 3 minus the positive 2. So we need to write, for the beginner, we need to write in this manner for us or for you to answer this one smoothly. Okay? So again, going back to the rules of subtracting integers. So first one is to change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay? So the subtrahend is in this given problem is the number on the bottom part of this problem. Okay, so this number, so 2 here is positive because this one is for the operation. Okay, we're dealing with subtraction. So 2 here is positive, and it says there that we need to change the sign, positive sign, to negative sign. Okay, change the sign of the subtrahend. So we need to change the sign of the subtrahend from positive to negative. So next one is to change the operation from subtraction to addition. So we have here, so the operation here is subtraction or minus, so we need to change it to addition. Okay, and the third example or third rule is go back to the rules of adding integers. So first, we need to change or check. First, we need to check if the sign of the two integers are the same or like or unlike sign. Okay? So since we have negative 3 and we have negative 2 now, so we're going to use this one. Like sign, copy the sign and add the numbers. So we have negative 3 plus negative 2. So all we need to do is to copy the negative sign, then we need to add the numbers. So 3 plus 2, so that is 5. So the answer here is negative 5. So let's have another example. Okay, so another example, let's have the positive 25 minus negative 5. Okay, so we have positive 25 minus negative 5. Okay, again, we need to rewrite this one in this manner for us to answer it smoothly. Okay, so 25 minus the negative 5. Okay, so that's negative 5. So first rule, we need to change the sign of the subtrahend. So from negative to positive, and change the operation from subtraction to addition. So from subtraction to addition. And then let us see or look if the sign of the two given integers are the same or unlike. Okay, so since we have positive 25, though it has no positive sign here, okay, remember that positive numbers, even if it has no sign or it has a sign, it is considered as positive numbers. Okay, so since they are the same sign, we're going to use this one again. So that is like sign. If it is like sign, we need to copy the sign, then add the numbers. So we have positive and positive. So the answer here is positive. We can write, or we can write positive sign or not. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so let's have positive sign here. So 25 plus 5, the answer is positive 30. Okay, so another example, or last example for this given tutorial. Okay, so let's have another example. Sample number 3. Okay, so let's have negative 100 minus, let's say, negative 50. Okay, so we have negative 100 minus negative 50. Okay, once again, we need to rewrite this one in this manner for us to answer this smoothly. Okay, so we have negative 100 minus 50. Again, our first rule is to change the subtrahend. So we have negative here, or negative 50. So we need to change the sign from negative to positive. Then change the operation from subtraction to addition. So since this is subtraction, we need to change this into addition. And let us look at the sign of the given integers. So we have negative 100 and positive 50. Yes, this is positive because we changed it already. So negative 100 and positive 50. Okay, so in rule number 3, we're going to choose in certain rules in adding integers, like sign and unlike sign. So we have an unlike sign. We're going to use this one. So subtract the numbers, then copy the sign of the bigger value. So 100 minus 50, okay, that is 50. Then copy the sign of the bigger value. 100 is bigger than 50, and 100 is negative. So the answer here is negative 50. Okay, so I do hope you learned something from this short video tutorial. And please, if you have questions regarding mathematics, please feel free to comment down below. And you can also suggest topics that we can make another video tutorial for you. Okay, I'm too tired because this video is in take 2. I already take the video a while ago, but my camera is not able to save my video. I don't know why. Anyway, please don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel. So I am using this account, Louis Oñate. Please follow my Facebook page, Sir Louis Vlog, and my YouTube channel is also Sir Louis Vlog. So please don't forget to follow, to subscribe, to like, and comment. Okay, please comment below any questions, clarifications, or any topic suggestion for us to have another video tutorial. So once again, this is Sir Louis, and God bless everyone.